Hi, this is Dr. William July. I am a psychologist and the co developer of myclinicalwriter.ai. I'm going to show you as quickly as I can a few highlighted points for my favorite tool in the app, which is Smart Text. Whether you write psychological evaluations uh, as the focus of your practice, or whether you're a therapist and you need to do progress notes like SOAP notes or various types of progress notes, you can design and create exactly the template that you want to use using smart text. And then you can allow the AI to assist you, very strongly assist you in creating your reports and your notes. It's amazing. Let's go into it and take a look at it. First things first, smart text does not have to listen to your conversation. Smart text is simply going to operate from raw notes that you upload, that you enter into smart text. It's not listening to the conversation between you and the client or patient. First thing we have to do is create a template or select a template. You can create one by clicking here, and then it will take you to another page where you can upload an actual report that you have, and that report can become your template. Or you can type in report headings down here and create a template that way. For example, presenting symptoms, mental health history, um, substance abuse history, and then that's going to become a template. You can actually create one right there during your session. Uh, you don't have to worry about spelling errors or typos. It will be corrected for you by the AI. I'm going to connect with one of the templates that I already have, which is this one, Basic Report Template version 2, which basically is going to put things into order for me, which I can go down here to the raw notes and I can upload a file. I don't know about you, but I gave up writing on a pad with a pen a long, long time ago. I just type my notes. I always do that. I always type my notes as I'm interviewing the person for the psychological evaluation into a Word document. I save them and I can upload them here. So this didn't even change my workflow. This is the way I've worked already for years and years. So I choose this and I upload the file, or I can type them in right here, which is something I tend to do. You ever watch those cooking shows? I just did a cooking show maneuver. They take a perfect apple pie out of the oven after they show you how to mix all the ingredients. Well, that's what I just did, and that's what I'm going to do in this demonstration. So these are some notes that I already pre-baked. These notes are actually in really good condition. These aren't the kind of raw dump that you really could do with the app. When I'm taking notes in the app, I just take the basic information, the facts, and let the AI generate that for me. Let the AI generate the report for me. They don't even have to be in complete sentences. They don't have to be spelled correctly or anything like that. You can just really focus on the client or patient. Click submit, and then what's going to happen, we're going to give it some time to generate first because it's crunching a lot of data, but we're going to give it some time to generate. And what's going to happen is it's going to create a docx document. You can take that docx document and download it, insert it into your letterhead, and add whatever graphs or charts you need, or add whatever additional information you want to add. Proofread it, edit it, because it's not perfect. It's not going to think exactly like you, but it's going to give you a good, strong draft of a report, and then you can edit it. For example, sometimes it'll have a way that it'll state something, and I just go, I don't like the way it said that. I'd say it differently, and I'll rewrite that. I mean, it's not replacing me as a clinician. It's just it's like having a very smart assistant that's like built into your computer. So, and one person also in one of our trainings was brought up a good question, which was, what's the difference between this uh, and just dictation, and night and day. Dictation is not a smart function. This is generative AI. All dictation is just what you say. generative AI is actually mimicking your thinking to form the report. So you can put out less brain power to give it the raw information. I've even taken intake forms and typed all the information in from intake forms and then let the AI generate. So when you see the green bar, it says report successfully created. So we go down here. There's my docx. It's going to download that docx for me there. Here are a couple of the sample reports that I was working on. And I'm going to click that. And then when I get a sample report, here it is. So I can go through. Now it's time to proofread, time to edit. I do not suggest that you trust the AI to that extent. That's not what it's designed for. Proofread it and edit it for your purposes, the way you like to write your reports, and then you are finished. I'm also going to show you the other two features in the app in other videos. So give it a try. It's just hard to grasp how different this is and how much stress it removes from you in the process unless you give it a try. That's why we have a free trial for you. Take a look at it and let us know if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to help you customize the app to your own personal use. So why not give it a try?